Good morning friends, I hope you are faring on well. Today I want to illustrate a very quick tutorial on how to fix the error that states the installation cannot continue as the installer file may be damaged. Please download the installer file again. I encountered this error while installing Adobe Photoshop, that is version 24.4.1. I was trying to install it and I encountered this error. So my solution will be very short because it's something that it's easy to fix. So what you'll do is right click on the installer, then select the open, click open again. Then you'll encounter the error, the installation cannot continue as the installer file may be damaged. Download the installer file again. So this error occurs most specifically when you install the installer directly. So what you have to do is right click, then click show package contents, then click on contents, then go to the macOS folder, then right click on the install, then click open. It will open via terminal, just be patient. Then click open again. Now as you can see, it will open the installer file. So what you have to do is input your password. After inputting your password, click OK. Then click continue. And that's it, the installer will continue. I'll just fast forward the rest of the process because there is no need for me to show the installation. I just wanted to show you how you can maneuver through this error and how you can quickly fix it. So as you can see, the installer is almost completing. Yes, the installer is almost completing. There you go, the installation has completed. So that was a very quick one on how to fix the installation cannot continue as the installer file may be damaged. So if you also encounter this issue while installing any application, it does not mean it only has to be the Adobe applications or the Adobe Creative Suite applications, but also any other application that you might encounter. Please use this method and it will help you out. So thank you so much for watching. Again, I'll see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe, like and share the video. Signing out.